Not bad at all for 500 per person. Hi guys! Welcome to my video. Hopefully after you watch this, you'll know how to go to Baguio and an idea of where you can stay. We took a bus directly from PITX to Baguio. It goes along the new road, so unfortunately no more Lion's Head, but it is so much faster. This is the deluxe class and it's only 525 pesos. If you have a student ID, you can get a 20% discount. Ooh, so foggy. Guys, there are no stopovers, so luckily there's an in-bus restroom, there's Wi-Fi, internet, TV, charging ports, and fudge bar, and water. So when we arrived at the terminal, we went to Ini House. It's just a restaurant nearby, because after traveling for almost 6 hours, you are gonna get hungry, so you should know. We just took a taxi to go to our booking, and there you go. Let me show it for you. It's walking distance from the Burnham Park, and I chose this one because it looks very minimalist, black and white colors. I went ahead and checked the dates in the future for you guys. It still says 540 pesos per night per person. I hope it doesn't change, but of course, I cannot promise you that. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff here that you can use for cooking your own meals, which is a very good option if you're gonna stick to a budget. Oh, I love this terrace. It is so cold here. You can use it for like pictures, and even at night, you are gonna love the lights. Inside Baguio, going place to place, there's a lot of taxis for you. So let me just remind you to use your student ID if you have one. We just had a hard time getting a taxi by Bancab Museum. I guess it's just for ease. Morning guys! Day 2. Dito kami riscado and everything. So, ang kalat nung transient. Not bad. Not bad at all for 500 per person. Airbnb, links down below. Wow, kala ko talaga eh.
Eventually,
after enjoying Baguio for 5 days, we went to the terminal where we got dropped off. And guys, it was such a long line. It took us 1.5 hours. And the Lux bus was not available anymore, so we had to get this one. It's the luxury class bus from P2P. It's 200 pesos more, so it's 725 pesos. You have a personal tablet, and then you get all the amenities that you had on the bus before. But I'm telling you guys, it is so worth it for 200 pesos more just because of the space. You can lift your feet up or recline your chair. They even give you these blankets in plastic. I know it's bad for the environment, but it's also how you know for sure that it's newly washed just for you. And guys, I am telling you, it smells so good when you're super tired and just want to sleep. Alright, so that's it. I hope you liked my video. Please click the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you!